you have a second plate?
Imagination and creativity. Chemistry creates the new chemistries that will build the sustainable society of the future, and the molecular world that we can create is infinite.
Chemistry is everywhere to bring sustainable solutions through the toolbox it gives to the science and industry.
Too long. Chemistry using science to invent and discover new materials that humanity uses in everything.
I believe chemistry can bring solutions to a lot of different problems. We just need the imagination of the chemists.
People live with materials. Without materials, we cannot survive. Chemistry makes our life better.
If we want to change our lives, if we want to improve our conditions, it's all about chemistry. The truth is, chemistry is still a very young subject. So the greatest chemist is yet to be born.
These guys, they create new chemistry. They get ubiquitous materials and they convert to the useful material.
So I will go to Pauling. Pauling was a determinant in understanding the chemical bond, essential for all chemists.
I choose Van 't Hoff because he gave the three-dimensional structure to the chemistry world, and that made the huge impact how we look at everything around us.
Personally, she has been very important in my choice of doing chemistry, because seeing her career, I thought the world can be mine if I do chemistry.
Mendeleev, who put the elements into a table, put in the structure, how you can get this infinite number of materials out of less than 100 building blocks.
It takes a long time. It's okay?
This is a hard one.
Oh, you're drawing it.
It's an animal. This particular animal has the intellect and ingenuity to bring together this knowledge to do the chemistry that gives us all these fabulous materials that make our lives possible.
I see the Solvay Prize as an eagle because I see a majestuous bird flying above the landscape of chemistry and then trying to pick up the most beautiful example of chemistry at the service of humanity.
The reason I chose a chameleon is because the challenge in chemistry, the chemical industry, is that we have to change our face of chemistry. And a chameleon can change his color and his face without changing the animal.
I selected the bee. The Solvay Prize wants to reward someone who has transformed science into applications. The bee transformed the pollen into sugar. And she also builds her own house with the 3D honeycomb. A wonderful technology.
Oh, in Japanese, we pronounce fukuro, but in Chinese character, the meaning is no hardship, to grow rich, happy to be blessed. All the same pronunciation. Also, this animal has a night vision. So the chemistry is just like this.
And my view is that the Solvay Prize is a chimera. It has to be wise as an owl, cunning as a fox, and busy as a beaver.
Shorter by 1 or 2 words?